Hello traders, in this video I would like to go over critical moments this week because market been oversold on S&P mini future, chopping at reversal zone and very narrow trading range. Intelligent trader understands the danger of this market, so if you remain profitable, you are a brilliant, strategic, intelligent trader. This morning on Thursday morning we're monitoring this level. And again, intelligent trader who buying or shorting the market understands where to enter, where to exit the market. If you are day trading futures on S&P mini future, this is software projected on 1 minute chart. Trades played out on multiple various charts. Pay attention please. When short reaches reversal zone and price reverses, it is expected. Gambler keeps shorting randomly, intelligent trader knows where to exit the trade. Identical event played out from the bottom, where price reached reversal zone and market skyrocketed to the upside. Correct? Pure and simple. So when graduate of the course legend stopping by this morning, it's a gift. Theo is with us. So when you listen to Theo's podcast and understand, Theo is with us in the middle of the night in Australia, it's a gift. Absolute honor to see Theo stopping by to say hello. Please update us on your performance or anything you would like to share on what you trade. And maybe you will stop by in bootcamp to share your journey. Such a joy to see you. Amazing. Fantastic. Good news. Good to see you. So when market oversold and stages such weak bullish reversals for the last 4 days in extremely limited trading range, intelligent trader knew this hours and days in advance. All discussions in live classes. Sooner you sign up, more prepared you will be, especially if you attend live classes. This is a bullish pullback that started on March 11th. No matter what chart I convert this chart to, intelligent trader knew this is a spectacular place to buy from. Absolutely no software on this chart, only proprietary levels you insert on the platform of your choice and apply. So if I convert this chart to 5 to 10 to 15 or any chart you choose to trade, traders all over the world trading this across multiple instruments, multiple time frames, multiple platforms. These bullish pullbacks remain non-stop. 4 days continued from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Intelligent trader knew quite well what to expect, where to buy. Intelligent trader knew quite well this is critical key brick wall to the upside. Again, all discussions in live classes with my students, pre-market and Monday and Thursday, unless stated otherwise. So sooner you sign up for a bootcamp, much more prepared you are. In the live classes, you have opportunity to ask questions. This is breakout to the upside on S&P mini future today, Thursday morning. So you will witness in the live market the war zone. No software on this chart, none is present. Why was this such an important week? Why is this so critical? Because institutional sellers testing key buy point week every single day this week. And again, did we know many months in advance where sellers would come from? Of course. From here, let's go back 8 months. Here we are, September. No gambling, no speculation. This is what JP Morgan traders trade. This is what hedge fund managers all over the world trade. But when father bringing his son to the course or husband bringing his wife, this is how everyday traders prepare. And this is what I discuss with my students pre-market every day. So here we are 6 months later. institutional profit taking a zone, testing key institutional buy point. What else does the intelligent trader understands many months in advance? This level will define US markets for years to come. So here we are without software, with key institutional chart. And if you've been buying market at the bottom, you understand. Catastrophic inflation, war in Ukraine, war in the Middle East did not mean a thing. Trillions of dollars been buying the market at 4,000 level, adding to positions at 4,300. This is day trading bliss, when trillions of dollars taking positions. As CEO knows extremely well. Incredibly successful trader legend. I hope one day soon we will meet in person. Means the world. Absolutely means the world that CEO is here with us. CEO knows the difference between buying the bottom and selling the top. If you understand the power of this, and you can trade any instrument you choose, choice is yours. If you want to add software to day trade futures or not, software is never ever a requirement. So while we're waiting for major news on S&P, let's walk through to what played out on oil this week in the trading room during news. News on oil extremely bullish, but what did we discuss yesterday? We discussed not a brilliant move to buy the market at this level, correct? Since bullish news on oil, oil collapsed hundreds of points. Intelligent trader understands buying oil at the bottom is an intelligent thing to do. Walking away at three-tail junkie chop is not a brilliant move. Despite extremely bullish news, oil collapsed as expected. Crash on Tesla had been spectacular and breathtaking. Identical event is playing out on crypto. This level on Bitcoin will define Bitcoin for years to come. Bitcoin collapsed 25%. Stunning and flawless. Nvidia skyrocketed from 12. Alpha Fibonacci buy point. Identical event as on S&P or any chart you choose to trade. As again, playing out right now on S&P. Shock or not, buyers already here. But intelligent trader understands, unless we see massive numbers of alerts, it's weakness, it's pain, it's crawl. On Nvidia it was not crawl. On S&P it's a crawl that continues. You remember where price is now, and you understand with a single glimpse, especially if you are attending live classes and asking questions. It's a nasty, choppy, painful place to trade. We are no longer at the bottom, correct? We're stuck not far off from brick wall. This is where trading is blissful. This is where only pain is present. So if you do not have multiple alerts, why in the world would you touch the weakness? We agree on that? And that's extremely limited trade, extremely limited trading range on S&P mini future right now. So if I bring to your attention software, intelligent trader understands knowing where to enter, knowing where to exit your trade is absolutely critical key part of your success in such limited trading range. So here's one of the critical parts of day trading futures. When with a single glimpse intelligent trader knows the danger of this market, look at this. How choppy and how painful it is. Buyers continue defending green zone, but to the upside, it's a red zone. 20 years of building my own systems, I promise you, the best things in the market are extremely simple. So when buyers picking up this team, this is the obstacle that's left, but it's not the bottom. It's a painful place to trade. So if you love the pain, you are in a trade. But if you don't love the pain, you are not stuck in very painful markets now. You understand where the bottom, where the middle, where the top is. And that makes a world of difference in your trading. Pure and simple. So the world losing its mind, you are seeing clearly on this chart. Euro doesn't care about war in Ukraine or war in the Middle East or such. Euro skyrocketed from 102 until 108. 600 points. Flawless rally. Stuck and frozen. And a stunning reminder. When you're trading Alpha Fibonacci system and you're using your limitless brain, the sky's the limit. Because if complete beginner traders can do it, if 14-year-old boy can do it, anyone can. So here's Euro in the month of September in free fall. Intelligent trader, very excited and very well prepared. Remembering, this is where Euro skyrocketed despite starves of the war in Ukraine. What a stunning and flawless place to buy from. You cannot pass psychological test. You cannot pass technical test. Look at the charts. Once an hour, once a day, once a week, once a month. Here's Euro. January 1st, 2025. Stunning place to prepare to buy from. And here comes the bullish rally. My goodness, how is it possible? Where's raging? In Europe? But Europe picking up this thing? Of course. When rules are met, take a trade. And remember, price moves one step at a time. And you know many months in advance where war zone will be. And that's where Euro is now. Identical strategies, identical rules across all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. Not everyone in love with the markets. Not everyone obsessed with the market. If you are not obsessed, if your technical skills are not up to par, use system long term. Trade oil, trade gold, trade crypto, as traders do all over the world. Identical trade on gold. Gold skyrocketed from 200 until 3,000 level. My apology, it's 2,000 until 3,000 level. That's it. US dollar, critical key event. This is a lifeline on US dollar, choose the downside. This level remains obeyed. Bullish rally on US dollar will go on. My heart goes to our Australian and Canadian traders, where US dollar is much as 50% more. So when you're looking at this major news this week, what do you see clearly? 99% extremely bullish. There was only one major bullish news. It was oil, but oil collapsed hundreds of points. And again, S&P keeps staging weak bullish rally. And we knew where selling pressure would come from. So if lower market collapses, better off intelligent trader will be, knowing quite well where to buy the markets, as markets extremely oversold, testing key institutional buy point for days. But if institutions keep failing at this level, which you know many hours and days in advance, buyers remain weak, right now failing at this level. So no matter what chart you trade, if you pass psychological and technical tests in such brutal markets, you are a phenomenal trader. I promise you, the best things in the market are very, very simple. As price continue chopping in this zone for the last 8 hours, and this can remain for many hours, even days to come, as intelligent trader knows quite well. Retail chop and weakness means pain. Absolutely no institutional volume, none is present. So we're down to 2 spaces in Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. Annual Trading Bootcamp is here. So if you are new students, good for you. Trading Bootcamp included with a group course for very new March students only. As again, let's go back to S&P. As S&P again staging vicious bullish pullbacks. Pay attention as we're monitoring the markets. So if you understand the power of this and you understand we're entering extreme volatility, during extreme volatility you have opportunity to master proprietary system traded by JP Morgan traders in extreme volatility. The value of the bootcamp 2777 for March students at no extra cost. So many graduates of the course like William, like Kurt signing up for bootcamp number 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16. William and Michael been with me since day one, signing up for all the bootcamps I will ever teach. William is here this morning. So when students attending bootcamp to perfect their trading, it's appropriate for traders of all levels. Beginner, hedge fund managers sign up for the bootcamp. Heart surgeons, oncologists, options traders, stock traders, from Moscow to Dubai to Saudi Arabia to New Jersey to Ukraine to Germany, sign up for a bootcamp. So whatever you trade, you remember forever. You will perfect your trading. With proprietary system, you do not have to attend live bootcamp. It will be recorded. For graduates of the course, a very special discounted rate. Trader psychology absolutely discussed throughout bootcamp and how to optimize your trading brain. So if you click below and you click sign up, you will see clearly. Private mentoring discount $10,000. Private mentoring the most desirable option. I keep you accountable. I work with you one-on-one. Cancer oncologist surgeon just finished group course, incredibly successful trader, called me and said, "Oh, I cannot get enough of your system. I'm already incredibly successful, but I want to learn everything." And he signed up for private mentoring, where we're going over multiple instruments, multiple time frames, and we're discussing his personal positions. And that's the difference between private mentoring versus group course. Group course option 2, the most popular option, saving with bootcamp almost $8,000. If you're not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1, it's free, appropriate for you. And as always, any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me, as Theo shares here with us this morning. What a gift. When student comes here 2 o'clock in the morning in Australia and shares, for anyone silence and from someone who literally paid thousands of dollars on previous courses and useless indicators, I can only say from the bottom of my heart, what Allah presents is very structured, objective approach to analyzing multiple markets and time frames. Theo have done multiple bootcamps. Incredibly successful trader who trades with precision, with entry, stop and target. No second guessing, and often with only single glance. You can listen to Theo's podcast on our website. What a gift. And I promise you, Theo had never been paid for everything he shares. That's it. So it means the world that Theo is here with us. Theo, you always invited to stop by in a bootcamp and to share your journey if you don't mind being here at 2 o'clock in the morning. When you come to the home page, you can witness Theo's podcast. This is Theo. This is his podcast. So I highly encourage you to listen to Theo, because if Theo can do it, anyone can. All you have to do, make an effort and identify the instrument appropriate for you to trade. That's it. Any questions? simply pick up the phone and call. But view students' performance, read students' reviews, as I live and breathe what I do, and I keep building my own systems. It never stops, ever stops. When with every single system, it becomes more and more easy. So as S&P continue chopping in weakness, CEO knows it's a painful place. It's a nasty place. Absolutely no power is present. And if this weakness remains, intelligent trader on sidelines. No multiple alerts, only retail chop is present. And that discussion in Alpha Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp as of March 24th through April 4th. You do not have to attend, you can view videos 24/7.